Assalamu alaikum dear student. Welcome to Sufa English High School. Today we will complete the question number 6 and 7. You can easily read the instruction which is given in this question. Make the following negative using the negative word given. Okay, give. We have a negative word here. With the help of this negative word we have to make the answer. So boys and girls, there are two types of sentence, affirmative and negative. Affirmative sentence. In affirmative case, we did not be use any negative word, but in negative sentence we use a negative words. Okay. For example, Ambani is rich man. This sentence is affirmative sentence. If I say this sentence in negative form, so I will use here not. For example, Ambani is not poor person. So here in this both sentence I use affirmative and negative, but without changing the meaning. I use Ambani is rich man. And in another way, if I am saying this sentence in negative form, so I will say Ambani is not poor man. So without changing meaning, you have to be used like that, affirmative and negative, okay, without changing the meaning. But in this sentence the instruction did not be given us to without change the meaning. So we have to be use here only negative word. The meaning will be changed in this sentence if we will use a negative sentence. So let us start to learn how to use negative word in affirmative sentences. Okay boys and girls, here there were a few potted plants in the courtyard. So we have a task here to use not many. Okay, this word not many, where we should be use this word in this sentence. There were a few, we have to remove this word a few and use not many. There were not many potted plant in the courtyard. Okay boys and girls, I hope do you understand it. And in second, write all this sentence like that which is given on board. There were not many potted plant in the courtyard. Okay, this is the answer of this question. And this, they looked healthier than the other plants. So we have to use here not as healthy as. Okay, so which is the correct place for using not as healthy as? So we should be use this sentence is comparative sentence, and we given task to make it positive sentence, means in positive degree this sentence. Okay, because as is used in positive degree. We all know that in grammar we learn it. Okay, so not as healthy as we have to be used in this sentence. How? They looked, not they did not. We have to use here did not. Why? Because it is a past participle, the second form of the verb. Okay, when we are using second form of the verb, we will use there did not for making negative word. Remember boys and girls, in past simple tense, if we are using a helping verb, there the helping verb for past simple tense did. Okay, we will use did only in negative cases. They did not looked. They did not look as healthy as. We should remove this all. Okay, and then also the answer, they did not as healthy as the other plants. Okay, this is the answer of this question. And here, she refused to share her secret. Here we should use would not. Okay, how we will use would not here? She would not refuse to share her secret. Okay, after she we have to use helping verb. What is helping verb here? Would not. So she would not refuse to share her secret. This is the second form of the verb. We should use first form of the verb with would. Okay, because would is the modal auxiliary verb, and in modal auxiliary verb we will use the first form of the verb. So boys and girls, remember the thing which I am using here, she would not refuse to share her secret. This is the answer of this question. I hope boys and girls, do you understand this 4 question which I explained in front of you? If you want to be asked me any question, if you did not understand the answer of this question, you may ask me in WhatsApp. Inshallah, I will write down the answer of this question. Okay. So, see the 4th question. She went around asking everyone about her plans. So, we have to use here, we can use here 2 words. No one and did not. Okay, no one we can also use here, and did not we can also use here. Why did not we can use here? Because we all know that went is a second form of go. Go, went, gone. Okay, so went is a second form of the verb. The second form used in past simple tense. In past simple tense, we use a second form of the verb. So here, boys and girls, we have to remove went. We should use did not. She did not, and went become go, first form. Okay, went should be converted into first form. Okay, when we are using did, if we are using did, so we have to be use the second form into first form of the verb. So here the answer is she did not go around asking everyone about her plans. This is the answer of this question. Okay, boys and girls. And let's see, this is 7th question of the 7th question. Make the following affirmative using the words given. Okay, so here we have to be understand, make the following affirmative word we should be making negative. Okay, here is the affirmative. There was no breeze. So no is a negative word here. We should use here affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentence, before I told you everything, in affirmative cases there should not be used any types of negative words. So boys and girls, here is a negative words. So we should be remove it and use hardly in place of no. Okay, there were hardly breeze. This is the answer of this question. And you can see the second answer. Here is also did not. Okay, did not. So we should remove did not from this question and use fail to. But where is the correct place for fail to? So we have to use here did not. They are ridiculous, fail to deter her. Okay, so here I remove this word did not. Okay, they are ridiculous, failed to deter her. This is the answer of this question. So we should not use here did not. And let's see the 3rd question. Her mother knew nothing about it. So here use a negative words. In this sentence, the negative word is nothing. So we should be remove it and use denied. So where is the correct place for denied? Her mother. So we should remove knew. Okay, her mother denied about it. Yeah, so we can use also one sentence in the place of this sentence. Her mother denied everything about it. Everything we can be used because here use nothing. So when we are making the answer of affirmative, so we should be used in place of nothing, anything. Okay, her mother denied everything about it. This is the answer of this question. She did not give up. So here did not. Okay, this is a negative word. So we should be remove did not from this question and use refuse to. How we can use refuse to in this sentence? She refused to give up. She refused to give up. Okay, boys and girls, I hope do you understand all this question which I explained on the board. If you have any question and query and doubt in your brain, you may contact me in WhatsApp. Inshallah, I will explain your problem and clear your doubt. Yet then, Assalamu alaikum.